now, I have taken a simplification problem. How to solve this problem? This model like 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3, like this, so on, like this. How to solve this problem? Now, see this, if all ones are here, ones sir. First I will do basic method. They will 1, 1, 1, 1. Suppose if 2 ఉంటుంది 3 ఉంటుంది different values ఉంటాయి. That model will see next. But here all are ones. And then means 1, 1, 1, 1. Like so, first in last term will start. Eక్కడ start చేస్తారు the last term. So last term ఏంది 2 by 3. Right, 2 by 3. Yeah. 2. First numerator and next denominator. 2 by 3. Next, see this value. See values ఏమన్నా? ఈ values ఏమన్నా? 1, 1, 1, 1. So write 1, 1, 1. ఇక్కడ ఎంత 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 ones na 1, 1, 1, 1. I wrote 4 ones. So what I did? So first model is ఇక్కడ అన్ని ones ఉంటాయి. 1 by 1, 1 by 1 by 1 by. Suppose 2 by 3 by something ఉంటే అది ఇలా ఇవ్వాలి చెప్తాను. ఫస్ట్ మోడల్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 by so on 1 plus 2 by 3. So last term is 2 by 3. So I wrote 2 by 3 as 2, 3. Okay na? Next is 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. So I wrote 1, 1, 1, 1. So first step ending. So multiply these two terms. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3 plus this value. So you should multiply this into this. 3 ones are 3 plus this value plus 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 is 5. So write 5. Okay na? Then this into the multiplication plus 2 add. Okay. Next. 5 ones are 5. So you multiply this two. 5 ones are 5 plus previous value plus and 3. So plus 3. So write. Next. Multiply this two. 8 ones are 8 plus 5. 13. Next. 13 ones are 13. 13 ones are 13 plus 8. 13 plus 8 is nothing but 20. So last value is 21. Now answer is this by this. So last value is 21 by number 30. So answer is 21 by 30. So up to here directly got the answer. So total calculation is 21 by 30. If you do basic method also, basic method is equal to start is 2 by 3. 1 plus 2 by 3 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5 by 3. 5 కలితే మొత్తం 3 by 3. మళ్ళీ సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే డైరెక్ట్ దట్ ఇస్ ద బేసిక్ మెథడ్ యూ విల్ గెట్ ది ఆన్సర్. సో బై డైరెక్ట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాము 2 by 3 ఉంది రైట్ 2 by 3 2 by 3 ఉంది. సో 2 రాయండి 3 రాయండి. ఇక్కడ ఏమున్నాయి సార్ వాల్యూస్ 1 1 1 1 ఉన్నాయి. సో పైన అన్ని 1 1 1 1 రాయండి. సో ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5. సో రైట్ 5 5 ones are 5 plus 3 8. సో రైట్ 8 8 ones are 8 plus 5 13 13 ones are 13 plus 8 21. So last time was 21 వస్తుంది. So final answer is 13 21 by 13. So 21 by 13. This is the answer. Now suppose like this final by 1 ఉందనుకోండి 1 by this value 1 by this value. So answer ఏమవుతుంది up to here you calculate. Up to here calculate ఏం చేస్తారు 21 by 13 వచ్చింది. Answer is 21 by 13. But 1 by this answer. So 1 by this answer means answer ఏమవుతుందండి ఇది inverse అవుతుంది. So that will become 13 by 21. If 1 is here 1 by something is here. 1 by overall this value is 21 by 13. If 1 by this value is there, answer will be, you have to change. 21 by 13 will become 13 by 20. Okay na? So if this is not there, up to here, then answer is 21 by 13. Okay? So I take one more example and I will do this. Okay? Next I have taken one more problem. So same model 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So all ones are there 1 by 1 by 1 by 2. So first what you will do, you start from here. Here is 1 by 3. So you start from there. So write 1 by 3 as 1 by 3, 1, 3. 1 by 3 means also 1, 3. Next, value చూడండి. ఈ values ఉన్నాయి 2, 2, 2, 2. So all are 2, 2, 2, 2. అన్ని ప్లస్ ఉన్నాయి. So I am taking first model as all pluses. After that I will take minuses. Then I will take one plus and minus. Okay? So ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 2, 2, 2, 2. So all 2s ఉన్నాయి కదా. So write 2s from here. ఇక్కడ నుంచి start చేయండి. 2, first 2, next 2, 2. Total is 1, 2, 3, 4. I have written from here 2, 2, 2, 2. So first what I will do, I will multiply these two numbers. So it is 3 into 2. 3 2 is 6 plus 1 plus this 2 plus previous number. 3 2 is 6 plus 1. It is 7. Okay. Next multiply these two terms. 7 2 is 14. 7 2 is 14 plus 3. Multiply these two terms and add previous number. 7 2 is 14 plus 3. Memory 17. Next 17 into 2. 17 2 is 34 plus 7. 34 plus 7 is 41. Right, 41 here. Next multiply these two terms. 41 into 2. 41 2s are, it is nothing but 82 plus 17. 82 plus 17 is 19. 82 plus 17 is 19. Now answer is this by this last terms. This by this last two terms is 99 by 41. So answer is, final answer is 99 by 40. So 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, final value is 99 by 40. Okay. Now what I will do is, instead of taking plus, I will take minus. So instead of taking plus, I will take minus, and I will tell you how to solve that problem. After that, instead of taking here 1, I will take 1 here 2, 3. Different values are there. Then I will tell you how to do that problem also. This model is basic model. All ones are here. Then this is the method you have to do. Yes sir, you start it sir. Here 1 by 3. So 1, 3. So if I name was sir, e values 2, 2, 2, 2. So I wrote that. So multiply these two terms and add this term. Multiply these two terms and add previous term. Multiply these two terms, add previous term. So final values untai kada. Final 99. Before value is 41. So answer, final answer is 99 by 40. Okay. So next one. Now one more problem. 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 2. Now model is here, everything should be 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. That is the basic model. Now if 1 is not there, how to do that problem I will tell again. But here all 1s are there. Now here instead of plus it is minus is there. Okay, no? Instead of plus it is minus here. And here different values are there. Now method is same. So you start from here. So first what you do, you start from here. You will enter the value 1 by 5. So write 1 here, 1 by 5. So I will write 1 and 5. Okay, 1 and 5. Next, see these values. The values are 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. So you know 1, 2, 4. So I write here. I will start from here. It 4, 2, 1. So write 4 here. Next 2. Write 2 here. And next what is that? 1. So write 1. Okay, same thing. So you can start again. So first 1 by 5 is there. So I wrote 1, 5. Next here 4, 2, 1. So I wrote 4, there 2, 1. So here what value is there? Minus, minus, minus. 4 దగ్గర ఏమి సార్ మైనస్, ఇక్కడ ఏముంది మైనస్, ఇక్కడ కూడా మైనస్. సో రైట్ మైనస్ is here. Minus, minus, minus. Okay, next. So method is same. So multiply these two numbers. 5 into 4. 5 4s are how much? So multiply these two numbers. 5 4s are 20. Now you should, if plus is there here, then you should add. If minus is there, you should subtract this value. So 5 4s are 20. Minus is there. This minus indicates you have to subtract this value. The minus is equal to the value subtract 5 4s are 20 minus 1. So it will become 90. Okay, na? So you should multiply only these two numbers, not with minus. So 5 into 4 20. The minus the previous number subtract 5 4s are 20. Minus 1 is 90. Next you multiply these two numbers. 19 2s are 38. 19 2s are 38. There minus is there, so you should subtract previous value. 19 2s are 38 minus 5. So if you subtract 38 minus 5 is nothing but 33. Right, 33. Okay, next 33 into 1. So 33 1s are 33, and you should subtract. Minus is there. If minus is there, then you should subtract. If plus is there, you should add. So 33 minus 90. So 33 minus 90 is how much? 14. Okay, no? Right, 14. Okay, what you have done? So first entry you can start this 1 5. 1 by 5 is there. I wrote 1 by 5. Here only 1s are there. Condition is all 1 should be there. Numerator only 1 like this. Okay, now then you start from here. Here means 4, write 4. 2 is there, write 2. Next 1 is there, write 1. Okay, so all of negative signs minus, minus, minus. So I wrote minus, minus, minus. Method is there. You have to multiply 5 4 is 20. So if minus is there, subtract previous value. 19 out 19 2s are 38. Minus is there, subtract previous value. So you have 5 subtract 33 out 33 1s are 33. Subtract minus is there, so subtract previous value. So what you are getting 14. So answer will be this value by this value. So 14 by 33. Now see this up to here. Up to here, answer is 14 by 33. That means up to here. Up to here, answer is 14 by 33. And 1 by something is there. 1 by is there. So this answer will become previous. 14 by 33 will become 33 by 4. Okay. So what I am taking is, previously we did all plus are there, and 1 by 1 is there. Now all minus are there. 1 by 1 is there. Now what I will do is, I will take some values plus and some values minus. Same all ones here. Then we will solve that problem also. That model also. Okay. So I hope you understood this model. Next model I will take one more model. Now I have taken one more problem. Here 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Here one plus is there, minus is there. Plus is there, minus is there. Model is same. Everything should be here 1. Model is everything here should be 1. Plus is there, minus is there. So I will start from the same thing. I will start from here. Last value means 1 by 5. I will write 1 here. Next 5. Okay. 1 by 5 is 1, 5. Next I will go like this. I will see this value. 4 to 1. So I will write here. From here I will start 4 to 1. Okay. So plus into plus and minus into minus. Here plus is there. Okay. For 4 in front 4 plus is there. So no need of writing plus. Okay. If minus is there, write minus. So here what is there? Minus is there. 2 minus. Minus is there. So write minus here in front of 2. Write minus. Next here 1 plus is there. So no need of writing that. Okay. Now see. Plus means you should add. Minus means you should subtract. So what I will do? See. I will multiply these two. First step is multiply these two numbers. 5 4 are 20 and plus is there plus 1. So 20 plus 1. So if you want you can write plus also. Okay. 5 4 are 20 plus 1. 21. So write here 21. So I am writing here 21. Next, multiply these two terms. 21 2s are 42. 21 into 2. 21 2s are 42. Minus is there. So subtract this value. So 42 minus 5. So 42 minus 5 is nothing but 37. So write 37 here. Okay, 37. You got 37. Next, multiply these two. So multiply like this. 37 into 1 is 37. So 37 plus is there. So plus 21. 37 plus 21 is nothing but 58. So 58. So what you have to write fraction is this by this. So what you write 58 by 37. So you got 58 by 37. Now up to here your answer is 58 by 37. But 1 by is there. 1 by something is there. 1 by this total value. So this answer will become real. So this answer will become 37 by 58. It will become 37 by 58. Now plus is there, you write plus. Minus is there, you write minus. Now model is everything here should be there 1. 1 by 1 by 1 by. If 1 is not there, how to do? That I will tell in the next one. In the next class. Now see here 1 by 1 by 1 by. Plus is there, I am writing taking, minus is there, minus. So start from here 5 4 are 20 plus 1 21. 21 2s are 42 minus is there, so you subtract this 5. So it becomes 37. 37 1 is 37. So plus is there, you add this. You have to 58. So this by this 58 by 37. So up to here your answer is 58 by 37. So 1 by is there, your answer will become reverse. Okay, it will become 37 by 58. So I will take one more problem. Okay. So I have taken one more problem. Here, this is next model. Here all is 1. All ones are not there. Here 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 2 by 2 plus 3 by 1 plus 4 by 5. Previous problems what we have done, we have done everywhere here 1 by 1 by 1 by. Now here 1 is not there, 2 is there, here 3 is there. Now how to do this model? So same model, same thing, you start from here. So what you will do, you start from here. Here 4 by 5. So right here 4 and 5. Okay. Next, what you will do? You will write these values. Next is these values up to here. Okay. Start from here. 1 to 1 1. Okay. So all are plus. So I take all plus only. 1 to 1 1. So I start from here. 1. You can start inside 1 to 1 1. Now see, little change is there. So first what you will do? Here 3 is there. Before that we have only 1 here. Here also 1 here. Everywhere is 1 here. But here 3, here 2, here 1. So what I will do? I will start from here. So first I will multiply these two numbers. So 5 1s are 5 plus 4. It will become 9. Now see, here what value is there? 3 is there. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది సార్ 3 ఉంది, సో ఇక్కడ ఉంది డివైడెడ్ బై 3. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 2 ఉంది, సో ఇక్కడ డివైడెడ్ బై 2a. ఓకేనా. 1 is there by 1, no need of writing that. ఓకేనా. సో ఏముంది ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటే no need of dividing by 1, no need of writing that by 1. 1 is there, ఇక్కడ 1 ఉన్నా కానీ ఏం చేస్తాం సార్, డివైడెడ్ బై 1 చేస్తాం, అది రాయట్లేదు. సో ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 3 ఉంది, దట్స్ వై యు ఆర్ డివైడింగ్ బై 3. ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ వచ్చే వాల్యూ డివైడెడ్ బై 2. So first what you will do? 5 1s are 5 plus 4. It is 9. I wrote 9 here. Because 3 is here, you are dividing by 3. Okay, now first divide this value. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. The value is 3. Okay, now multiply these two terms. 3 2s are 6. First divide carefully, then you should multiply. 3 2s are 6 plus same method 5. 6 plus 5 11. You got 11 here. So first what you will do? By 2 is that you first divide this value. The divide is same as 5.5. Okay, 11 by 2 is nothing but 5.5. Okay, now 5.5 into 1, what it will become? 5.5 plus what is the value is there? 3 is there, not 9, 3 is there. 5.5 plus 3, it becomes 8.5. Okay, 5.5 into 1, 5.5 plus 3, it is 8.5. So you are writing 8.5. So multiply these two terms. 8.5 into 1, 8.5 plus 5.5, not 11 plus 5.5. So 8.5 plus 5.5. It is nothing but 8 plus 5, 13, 0.5, 0.5, it will become 14. So it will become 14. Okay? So even so here 14 is there, 8.5 is there. So this by this. So 14 by 8.5. So directly you are calculating up to here. If 1 by is there, your answer will be reversed. 1 by is not there, so answer is 14 by 8.5. If you want to simplify, you can simplify further also, or you can keep it like based on the options. You can keep the answer like this. So answer is 14 by 8.5. Okay, na? So what I did here, 1 is not there, 1, 2 is there, 3 is there. Okay, na? Here all 1s are not there, so different values are there. So what you will do is start from here. So 4 by 5, so write 4 here, 1 here. Then these values 1, 2, 1, 1. So write 1, 2, 1, 1. If plus is there, you write plus, minus is there, you take minus. Next what you will do? Multiply this number. Okay, now 5 1 is 5 plus 4, 9. You wrote 9 here. Now see this, here 3 is there. That's why you should divide by 3. If 1 is there, no need of writing here 1. Okay, now 3 is there, divided by 3. Next value, here 2 is there, divided by 2. Okay, now see, you got what is there? 5 1 is 5 plus 4, 9. You got 9 divided by 3. So what you are getting? 3. Then multiply this 3 into 2. 6 plus 5, 11. So 11 is there. Then divided by 2. You are getting 5.5 into 1 plus 3. 5.5 plus 3. It becomes 8.5. 8.5 into 1. So it is 8.5 plus 5.5. It becomes 14. So final answer is 14 by 8.5. Suppose this 1 by is there. Then you will reverse this answer. If that 1 by is not there. So if total 1 by everything is there, then you will reverse this answer. So here up to here you are calculating. So answer is 14 by 8.5. So same model I will take one more problem and I will explain. So I have taken one more problem. So 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3. So what I will do? So method is same. I will start from here. It is nothing but 1 by 3. So I will write here 1 and 3. Next, see these values. 4, 2, 1. So I will take these values. 4, 2, 1. So I will write here. So I will start from here. 4, 2, 1. Now suppose if all 1s are here, I will do directly. But here 3 is there. Okay, here 1 is there, no problem. But here 3 is there. So what I must do? I have to divide. So what I will do? I will start from here. 3 4 is 12 plus 1. So it will become 13. 13. If 1 here 1 is there, I won't divide by 1. No need of writing that by 1. If you write also, no change. If you don't write also, there is no change. So here 3 is there. If 3 is there, you have to divide by 3. Suppose if 5 is there, you have to divide it by 5. Okay, no? Here 1 is there, then no need of writing 1. 3 is there, I am writing by 3. Okay, no? First what I do? 3 4 is 12 plus 1 13. I wrote 13 by 3 because 3 is here. Next, if you want to simplify, you can simplify. If you want to simplify, you can simplify. Otherwise, keep as it is. So what I will do? I am keeping as it is. Otherwise, you can write like this: 3 4 is 12 point something point 3. You will get like that. Otherwise, you keep as it is. Then multiply like this: 13 by 3 into 2. So 13 by 3 into 2. What it will become? 13 2 is 26. 26 by 3. So what you are getting here value? 13 by 3 into 2 is nothing but 26 by 3. So what value you are getting here? 26 by 3. Then plus 3. You should add now. After multiplying, you should add. What you are getting? 26 by 3. Then after that you should add. So you will add 26 plus by 3 plus 3. Okay, no? 3 3s are 9. 26 plus 9 is nothing but 35. 35 by 3. So first what you are doing? You are multiplying by this. 13 by 3 into 2. You are getting 26 by 3. Plus you should add previous no. So 26 by 3 plus 3. You are getting 35 by 3. So you write 35 by 3 here. So 35 by 3. Now here 1 is there. 1 is there. No need of writing 1. Okay. If suppose 2 is here. If suppose 2 is here, you will divide it by 2. Here 1 is there. No need of representing that. Next what you will do? You will multiply these two. 35 by 3 into 1. 35 by 3 into 1 is nothing but 35 by 3 plus previous term. Previous what is that? 13 by 3. What you got? 35. So I will write here. 35 by 3. 35 by 3 into 1. It is 35 by 3. Plus what is that? Plus previous term. 13 by 3 plus 13 by 3. This value is nothing but 35 plus 3 is nothing but 48. 48 by 3. So what you are getting? 48 by 3. 35 plus 13 by 3. 48 by 3. So write 48 by 3 here. So what is the answer? Last this by this. Okay. So final answer is 48 by 3 divided by this value 35 by 3. 48 by 3 divided by 35 by 3. So you cancel this 3. So what you are getting? 48 by 35. Now you final what you got? 48 by 35. So up to here you got 48 by 35. But the answer is, so what is the question? 1 by this value. So 1 by this value is there, then this answer will become reverse. 48 by 35 is there, then it will become 35 by 40. Suppose this 1 is not there. If 1 is not there, suppose if your question is like this, 1 plus like this, then answer is only 48 by 35. But here 1 is there, 1 by something is there. So this answer will become reverse, 35 by 48. Okay? I hope you understood this. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Okay? Now, few more problems I will do in the next video.